What is your ideal video travel tripod? Lightweight, fluid head, eye level height, and reliable. Those are the 4 key features I was looking for. But there were also some bonus points: easy setup, versatility, and the ability to shoot at low angles. After researching for the 3 days and testing 5 different tripods, I finally found the one. It checks all the boxes and even offers more. Hello everyone, my name is Dana. Welcome back to my channel. I know finding a perfect tripod is a challenge for any content creator, videographer, and photographer. It's tough to pack all the essential features into a lightweight, travel-friendly design. Here's what happened. I lost my old travel tripod, Ulanzi&Coman 0i, at the end of last year. Instead of replacing it with the same model, I thought this is an opportunity to upgrade. While the 01 was already very solid, I wanted 2 things in my next tripod. Firstly, a fluid head for smoother video shots. Second, an easy way to switch to low model shooting. I did my research and tested multiple tripods, but each had drawbacks that made me hesitate. If you just want to see my top pick, feel free to skip ahead. First one, Falcam Tribute and Hippie W28. Too heavy for my setup. I use a ZV-1 with 20 to 70mm lens, and I wanted the lightest setup possible, cause I'm kinda lazy. Freewell T1, almost perfect, but I hate the twist to lock legs. While they are quick to extend, they make height adjustment difficult, and didn't feel sturdy enough for me. I don't want to risk my gears. Neewer LT35. I love the quick release plate system. It's peak design compatible, but the ball head was terrible, worse than my old 0Y. iFootage K3, great tripod, but its maximum height was only 1400mm, which didn't miss my knees. I don't want to talk to you guys from this angle. Finally, I found my dream tripod, the Fotopro X-Airfly. Let me tell you why this is the perfect fit. Just to clarify, this isn't a sponsored review. I bought this tripod with my own money. Of course. Okay, firstly, here is some basic info about this tripod. Fotopro X-Airfly is a carbon fiber tripod. The folding height is 18.42 inches. It equals to 468mm. The weight is 1.34 kilograms and the load capacity is 4.5 kilograms. It has 2 colors, orange and gray. It is made by a Chinese manufacturer, so there is a big discount if you buy it in China. Here is what I really love about this tripod. This hybrid height is a game changer. The fluid head for video, the ball head for photos. It combines both. It is easy to level, supporting vertical shooting, and offers smooth panning and tilting, something I really miss on the 0Y. Here are some test clips to show how it performs. The included extension arm also helps make movement smoother. However, there are 2 things to note. First, you need to raise the center column a little bit to free up the space for the ball head to move. Secondly, the fluid damping is decent, is usable, but don't expect it to perform like a professional grade one in such a compact travel design. Second, flip lock legs with high build quality. I personally prefer flip lock over the twist lock because they are quicker and easier to use. The locks on this tripod feels much better than the 0Ys, with a well-designed system that requires just a small flip to unlock. It's super satisfying. You should definitely go try it, then you know what I mean. 3. Super easy low model shooting. The legs can adjust to 3 different angles with a minimum height of 140mm and a maximum height of 1640mm with the center column extended. This range covers everything from high-angle shot to extremely low perspective. Many tripods requires tools to remove the center column for low model shooting, but with this one, you only need to twist the bottom of the column by hand. No extra tools, no hustle. There is a huge bonus for me. If a feature is complicated, I simply won't use it when traveling. That's why I rarely shot in low mode with my old 0Y. For super low shot, it also supports top-down mode. Just flip the column upside down. However, one important caution. If you raise the center column while panning, be careful. If you forgot to unlock the pan knob, you might accidentally rotate the entire upper section, the tripod head, which can be dangerous for your gear. Also, there are some small bonus features. The rubber feet can be removed to reveal metal spike for better stability on different terrains. A hook under the center column lets you hang a bag for added weight and stability. The hook doubles as a hidden phone holder. Also, there are 3 1/4 screw holes for mounting accessories like lights or monitors. This leg, marked with a black rubber band, can detach to become a monopod. A bubble level is also included on the side. Even though this tripod is incredibly versatile, there is one feature I wish it had: a quick release plate. This plate is Arca Swiss compatible, but you have to twist it to lock it, which can be time consuming. Some other tripods, like the Tribute, Neewer LT35, Big Design, and Ulanzi mode, have built-in quick release system. To fix this, I bought a quick release adapter. It added some weight, but it makes my workflow much easier. Like this. Another drawback is changing the tripod head is tricky. The design leaves a gap if you want to remove the original head. So if you plan to swap it for another one, I won't recommend this tripod. Okay, now let's test its stability in real-world conditions. I mounted my heaviest lens, the Canon EF 70-200mm with an adapter, and shot a time-lapse at 200 side. To properly test the stability, I turned off in-camera stabilization. Here is the test footage. Let's see how steady it really is. During the test, people were walking around. The motorcycle were passing by, which could include some vibrations, just like what we experience in real-world shooting situation. This should give us a better idea of how well this tripod holds up in less than ideal conditions. Overall, I'm really satisfied with this Fotopro X-Airfly. I spent a long time researching and testing different tripods, so I hope my experience helps you if you are struggling to choose a versatile, travel-friendly video tripod. If you have any questions or recommendations, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.